Well, hello there. I hope you're doing okay and ready to learn 10 more English nouns which are most popular among native speakers. And today's list is word, lot, business, right, job, book, issue, I, month, study. I'm gonna repeat the list of words once again. Listen and repeat after me. Word, lot, business, right, job, book, issue. You may say issue. I, month, study. And here's our main part of the lesson. I'm going to give the explanation of each word one at a time. And today we'll start with the word month. Month, month, month. A month is one of the 12 periods of time that a year is divided into. For example, March or November. If you're a student right now, or you were once, you know that sometimes we spend month and month if we want to learn something. The act of learning about something, usually at school or university, is called a study. Study, study, study. For example, the study of history or the study of English literature. Most often to study we use our eyes. Eye, eye, eye. These are the parts of our body with which we can see, and while studying, we use our eyes to watch movies, TV shows, news, or to read books, newspapers, and so on. Book is our next word. Book, book, book. A book is a number of pieces of paper which are fastened together and fixed inside a cover of straw paper or cardboard. Books contain information, stories, or poetry. When we read books, we can see a lot of words inside. Word, word, word. A word is a single unit of language that has meaning and can be spoken or written. For example, ask, love, dreams. All of them are words. There are so many different words in English, and they mean a lot of different things, but some of them are most popular, and that's why we're learning them right now. Like our next word for today, which is job. Job, job. A job is the work that someone does to earn money. For example, some people are managers, others are welders or firefighters. But sometimes people have their own business. Business, business, business. This is work relating to the production, buying, or selling of goods and services. As your business, you can, for example, sell groceries. A lot of groceries. Lot, lot, lot. Lot is our next word for today. This word is most often used in such phrases like a lot of or lots of, which is the same. So, you can also sell a lot of flowers, or a lot of hats, or a lot of suitcases. Sometimes there may be some issues though in your business or at work or in your personal life. Issue, issue, issue. You may also pronounce this word like issue, issue. Issue. An issue is a subject or problem that people are thinking and talking about, like what products to sell, or which way to drive, or what to do if you lost your keys. Nevertheless, issues are part of our life, but we shouldn't be preoccupied only with them. That's very harmful for our health. That is not right. Right, right, right. Right is something that is considered to be morally good and acceptable, like helping people. Right is also the right side of something, like when you drive and you need to turn right. The opposite meaning is left. Now we'll start our practice, the part of the lesson which is really very important. You should practice and practice a lot if you want that everything you've learned to remain in your memory forever. And that's why it's time for practice. Look please at the words and read them. Do it at least 3 times, please. Issue, I, business, job, book, write, word, lot, study, month. Now I want to ask you to match the pictures with their words. Here we have book, study, lot, write, and I. And the answer is and the second part. The task is the same. You need to match each picture to its word. And here's the answer. Now, the last exercise. You need here to give the names of words. And the answers are write, word, lot, study, month, issue, I, business, job, book. I'm sure after all these exercises which I have prepared for you, you can already recall and name all of these words fast and easily. The only trick is that usually we need review things to remember them forever. So don't hesitate, please. If you have any spare moment and can dedicate this time to English, come back and rewatch this lesson or go further and study other lessons with me. I'll be glad to help you with learning English. Meanwhile, you can do some homework. It's very easy this time. You just need to write down these words, dividing them into 2 groups. Big words must be written with small letters, and as for small words, you need to write them down using capital letters. Please don't forget to share this lesson with your friends and family and those who learn English. Now I'll say goodbye and see you guys in my other lessons. Take care.